This first one, you know what I love? Ulissa came up to me this morning and she said, Mr. Courtney, what does median mean? And you know what's so funny about math is sometimes it's not even math, it's just the words. If you know what the words mean, right?
It's easy.
Right. Well, everybody write this down on your paper and label this. Median means medium or middle, like a medium Coke at McDonald's is the middle one that I can purchase, right? Now, yeah, well, if you know what medium is, then everybody just tell me out loud, what's the medium number?
C.
Yeah, aren't they? Now, write on your paper, somewhere in words, put least to greatest on your paper. Write that down. Label it. Advanced students, label it. If I know that 88 is the least, duh, third graders know that. If I know that 144 is the greatest, right? Then I know that the middle number, I can tell they're going in sequential order, right? So therefore, 112 is definitely the median. Everybody say median.
Median.
Now, the next time you're talking to your mom and she says, what kind of Coke would you like? Don't say middle or medium. Say median. And she'll go, what's the matter with you? And you'll say, well, I've been Courtneyfied. All right, so let's move on to this one. Now, somebody tell me what was their thinking here. I just want to hear that advanced thinking. And I want to see more hands than 5 in this classroom. You know which hands I'm looking for. Isaac and Angel Martinez. You know who I'm looking for. What do you got? Since. Go. Man, you are lightning fast sometimes, Elizabeth, okay? Slow it down for Mr. Courtney. I think it starts with this, doesn't it?
Yes.
Everybody read that to me. Okay. All right, so if implies that now we know z is equal to 3. The mystery number is no longer a mystery. Z is equal to 3. So the first thing, Elizabeth, we want to do, honey, is we just want to plug that guy in. Plug it in, plug it in. All right. Everybody, now that we're here, somebody tell me what strategy, what tool in our tool bank do we use when we see multiple operations? What do we use?
PIMDAS.
No.
PIMDAS.
Everybody say it correctly. Okay. And who can raise their hand quickly and tell me why it's PIMDAS but not PEMDAS? Because your grandma was wrong. I'm sorry. Multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Can division come before multiplication? Yes, if it comes left before right. Can subtraction come before addition?
Yes.
Can addition come before subtraction?
Yes.
If it's left to right. So everybody look up here. Let's just do a chorus of this. What do I do? Ready? 6 minus 3 is? 3. Hold that in your head. 5 times 3 is?
15.
What's the correct answer?
B.
That seemed easy to me. Okay. And let's make sure to show our proficient thinking here. Let's write the steps like we know to do.
Okay.
We first used parentheses. We skipped exponents. We went to multiplication, division. Now, I saw some people really work this division problem pretty good. I got 246 cookies, and I got 12 freeloaded friends that they want those cookies. So what am I going to do?
Divide.
Yeah, and first I'm going to look at 24 tens, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, how many cookies can I give to these 12 freeloaded friends if I first start off with 24 tens?
2.
2 what?
2 cookies.
2 what?
2 cookies.
Yeah, no, not 2 cookies, 2 tens.
Oh.
Yeah, look at what place I'm in. Don't lose sight of that place, though. You spent a whole week doing that, okay? Yeah, and I subtract the 24 tens. Yeah, and I get 0 tens, but I still have 6 cookies left over.
You could do subtraction that way.
Now, look at what they're trying to do to me, friends. Somebody out there is thinking that 246 cookies, only I'm going to give 2 cookies to each friend?
No.
I'd be having a whole pile of cookies lying around my house. So I know A, B ain't going to work, right? It's just not going to work. D or C could be it. But check it out. I know that 2 is in Ruben Kazar's. I know that 2 is in the tens place. And that tells me what about the ones place?
0.
I better have a placeholder, right?
Yeah.
Remember our lesson yesterday about fractions? Fractions are what? It is division. A fraction is just a simple division problem. It's just made it confusing. But look, check this out. See this 6?
Yeah.
Who are you going to give that remainder to?
It's Courtney.
Wrong. Right, remember the the first week of school, you give the remainders to Mr. Courtney, but now you're not going to give the remainders to Mr. Courtney. You're going to be smart. You're going to take that 6
And break it. Cut it.
and you're going to divide 6 divided by 12 gives every one of my freeloaded friends simplest form, a half a cookie. How do you know it's a half? It says 6
Because 6 times 2 equals 12.
Okay, and you also know that 6, everybody, Joshua, you also know that 6 is half of 12, right?